obviously failed to decline, and in this situation, I think what we want to do is give it a little bit of room on the upside to sort of prove that it's going to go. So above the market, we're going to place a stop to buy a unit. We're going to pay 39 for a unit, and a little bit higher than the prior high here, because this is looking more like it wants to go up. I'd have thought that with all the congestion, that we achieved yesterday afternoon, that could have been it, but apparently not. This really does look like it wants to go further. So let's let it go further. Let's let it do what it wants to do. We definitely want to be long if this thing breaks out on the upside. We definitely do not want to be long. However, if it makes a one-tick new high here and then decides to go lower, we definitely do not want that. So if we get down, to that 13 area again, we'll consider actually getting short. But at the moment, it looks to me like we're trying to find a way to go up here. So that's why we have a unit in place. Pardon me. I don't really like the idea, though, of having a stop be all the way down to 22. But maybe we'll get another chance here with another area of support. We can build a little bit to be able to use that as our focal point for a stop. Pardon me. I apologize again for my voice. It's really bad today. But at least we're here. Okay. We come within a tick. Okay. And maybe we'll go down from here. Pardon me. Oh, no, we didn't know. We got filled. I got filled. All right. Now let's put our stop, put a stop in at 28, protective stop on that for the first unit down at 28. Get that in there right away. And I got sort of a level there at 45. Yeah, we're through it. Good. Good. I doubt we're going to get back down there again, but unless we're wrong about this, we have broken out here, so I would expect to see some follow-through going higher than this. Pardon me. Actually, let's get a stop in for a second unit above the current high. Pay 53 for a second unit here. And if that gets filled, bring your stop up. I would say bring your stop up. Well, we'll see how we go here. We'll see how much of a move there is. Because we need to find where we're going to find support on this, if we haven't already, at the 45 level. We may be bringing, the first unit stop up to 45 if we get filled on the second unit. And we're through 45, so maybe that's not right. Okay, we just got filled. Right, bring your stop up on the first unit, bring it up to 45, and make sure you got it in place for the full quantity for both units. And and I don't know if we're going to get a chance to add again, because this is well, I don't know. Excuse me. Yeah, 65. Add a third unit at 65, which is right above. Actually, would have just been filled. I'm sorry, I wasn't very fast on that. If you didn't get it up in place in time, then don't bother adding. at this juncture. If you did, great. Bump your stop up to the full amount, and I think we're going to move our stop up now to move it up to 61. That's going to give us a reasonable profit on the units that we have in place. And look at this sucker go. It just keeps going. Okay, we've found some support. We have all the way up to 85. Sold off to, oh yeah, wow, 73. Excuse me. I don't know if we're going to move our stop up at the moment. We should not come back down to where we are at the 61 area. Having said that, we get to 71 right away, not very far away. 10 ticks is meaningless in terms of its noise in this market with the way this is moving around after yesterday and now today. So, pardon my French. Okay. Let's see here. If we come back up again, we're going to move our stop up to 70. Great. Bring your stop up to 70 now. That's that prior low there. And okay, that's the first move out of this. That's the largest congestion we've had since we've been in this trade. So we want to see it break out above again, and then we'll move stop up to the mid 80s. Excuse me. Let's see. Building another ledge here at 80. And okay, let's see if we go through here. Back to 80. We got a slightly lower high thus far. And now we got a lower low, a lower high and a lower low. So we might hold this level, this 71 level, and not have our stop elected, but I don't know. Let's see. 80. Pardon me. So maybe we'll hold 75 here to go back up. Yes, again, this is a larger congestion area. So, excuse me. Coming right toward our stop here. Hey, our stop gets lifted. Well, good job. Let's pay attention here. We may have to get right back in again. If we go back up towards these highs, a reasonable profit on 2 units, maybe 3 if you were quick enough to have the third one in place. I was a little bit slow in commenting on it, but good job. Now let's keep focused on what's going on.